Yes, let's get ready for the countdown. Welcome, 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 burritos, to the social media countdown. It is Christmas Day. Merry Christmas, greetings and salutations. Christmas and a Happy New Year. Welcome on the live. Welcome on the live. This will be full of one bag of giveaways. Okay. You are the king. Oh, Jesus. Christmas and a Happy New Year. Box cover, this is Dirty Bear and welcome to the Christmas edition of the social media countdown. No, it's not a top 10. I'm going to make it a top 13 because we have 13 things to discuss. So let me just tell you, so Merry Christmas, burritos. Big up to everybody who, is enjoying the day with friends, family, loved ones, whosoever. So let me just tell you, this is a special edition of the countdown. I have a couple giveaways to give to the burritos because, they always support me. So here, how this will go. You see, the first person to reply in the live chat, they do the right answer, they will win the prize. So make sure, so when you're what should I say? Make sure, so when you reply, you put the correct answer, and then also if you are selected as one of the winners, then you just send me an email with your number and contact information to dirtybearshow@gmail.com, so at least me know, or on Instagram at dirtybearshow, so we can keep in touch and give you the information on how to collect your prize. Okay, so let's get into the countdown.
The dirty are the berry, yeah, the juicy are the scoop. All the things are going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the countdown coming soon. All the drama when you want, you fit tune into the youth. Like, yo, hey, box cover, empower all the topics like a hymn. Pot cover, mix up, blender, all them something me, I at me not the week, yo, just tune in, zine.
Number 13, welcome back, Tony. My word, my sentence. So, Miss World 2019, Toni Ann Singh has, returned home to her island of Jamaica. And boy, oh boy, what a celebration at Norman Manley Airport it was. I was at Norman Manley International Airport, and say Olivia Babsy Grange had to her be there because apparently she was very instrumental in the smooth going of Tony's journey to Miss World. So big up for that. And you don't know, say you can't have celebration without the pot cover. So you had the pot cover boss there, Mr. Dalton himself. I'm not Dalton Harris. So then she leave from there. So now she had a press conference, she had an interview with Cliff Hughes. And then she left from there. So now what happened now after that now? I think she went to Emancipation Park and there was a little ceremony there for kind of in her honor.
Hello, Jamaica.
This Toni girl, she's such a sweet soul. She have all of the ingredients like what they need to make a perfect Miss World. It's like she doesn't just talk about what she cares about. You feel it. You legit feel every single word and believe everything that she says. Right now, Toni could have told me that she want alien and would believe her to how convincing and how this girl just understands how to emote with her words and her body. And so she's definitely something special. So then she left from there, so now she was supposed to go to Unruly Festival. I don't know if that did go on. And then she had a reception at with the Prime Minister, where she met up with, former Miss World Cindy Breakspear and Lisa Hanna, and boy, that was quite a good look.
And here they meet each other. What Cindy Breakspear and Lisa Hanna. Ladies and gentlemen, Jamaica has been truly blessed.
So boy, I'm just glad that Toni is back, and only thing now me really want she get some rest because my girl busy from she get the crown. She has been up and down. I just want her to get like a little 2 day for just cock up her foot them and get some well needed rest. So big up yourself, Toni Ann Singh, Miss World 2019.
Is admired for her humility. Her neighbor recalls her childhood days. We grew together like sister and brother.
What?
And I'm proud of her so much. When I see her yesterday, I couldn't believe out of the world.
Number 12, Cry, Dalton. My word, my sentence. So, Dalton Harris, the 2018 X Factor UK winner, is back with a new single and it is called Cry.
Back to the start, we're strangers again.
No, let me tell you, say, song for bad, but no bad so. Honestly, when me did hear Dalton release a song, me never did I expect something to sound so, what Jamaican people normally call when it's something so nice. It sound foreign. It just have an international sound. It just sound like something where you think you would hear from, like, you know, them Taylor Swift there, and them Usher there, and them Neo there, and them foreign, you know, worldwide type of rhythm there. The song just, it just make for radio.
Make it hard before I let you see me fall apart, lady.
And we're not even gonna talk about the part where him go perform on the X Factor stage again and totally shell the performance, even though him look like a little white rain drop on the stage still. You know, someone else that support me when they do the Dalton reviews them and support him as well. I'm wanting to keep the support going. So in the description is where you can go download the track, and you can go check it out on YouTube up here, so because the video and the song just shell, I'm know you're gonna appreciate and love it too.
I just wanna let my guitar.
Number 11, Candy single, Me Baby Lad, Jesus Christ, that is the name of our ex-boyfriend apparently. So you know, so them they have the song whole time and they go on with a little buzz.
Me mama, would I use Mr. Palmer? When the time get warmer, me I feel it.
But apparently the couple have called it quits, you know, ahead of the 2020 year. And this is what Candy had to say.
Babes, Candy, Candy.
My boyfriend, you.
My who?
Your boyfriend.
Where? Uptown, me live in now.
You left already?
You left the boy, Candy?
Yeah, no, no.
Candy, you know what I mean?
For the one.
What do you mean for the?
Can't buy the rocks right now, come no one.
Yes, you know what you say.
The 19th of the month, your birthday, and him put Candy wow by post it by team party wow. They give me wow.
No, but you have to go, you have to go.
I have to go.
Candy, you think so?
Let's say,
One support you.
I'm not support
All the girl.
I can never support me.
No, call it out.
See animal support and I go and support tongue and sit up and all kind of
Candy, me I want you know, yeah.
No bother with the foolishness.
Candy.
Alright, Candy, boy, I guess, you know, boy, I think you don't really end on good terms, but I know, baby, I'm gonna manage now, I'm gonna feel cold, especially in the winter season. Candy, boy, can I get a wow? What do you think about this split burritos? Sound off below. Alright, burritos, it is price time. So now the first price that I have before I show you, you know, one of the samples. So I have 2 sets of Mountain Bliss 876 coffee, instant coffee. You know, I'm gonna tell you, it's shell, taste good and all kind of things. So for the coffee lovers, this one is for you. So now, the 2 persons to answer this question correctly will win 2 of these, you know, 2 of these for, you know, you and whosoever enjoy for the season into the new year. So now the question is, please to tell me who was the first public figure that I did an entire day of The Road with Dotty with. So the first person may wait for the live. Make sure say put the answer in the live right now. The first 2 people them for answer correctly. Okay, may I wait. Where's the answer? Where is the hard answer, man? Okay, alright, so I know there's supposed to be an answer, so make sure say you know, if me choosing as the winner, make sure say you just send me an email to dottyberryshow@gmail.com or to send me a message on Instagram with your contact information. Simple as that. Congrats. Number 10, Babe Brunch Saga. Me potato pudding. Alright, so you know, me that Traverse on Twitter the other day, I'm gonna say this whole promotion about a party that is called Babe Brunch JA, and it looked like a whole heap of people did excited for go. Basically kind of uptown people, I think I do too much like a crebe. So it's supposed to be, you know, nice, sophisticated, intelligent, articulate ladies, you know, ambitious people, you know, women, you know, if you just chill with them girlfriends and have a nice time. And also men are invited too. But if you just understand, say it's around one place to really just celebrate women enjoying themselves and, you know, just the fun side of sisterhood. Anyway, so that was being promoted and everybody excited for go, but when the people them turn up, many were some were disgruntled after them pay almost $7,000 for them ticket and get one like a fenke type of brunch. Wow, so, wow, and then the 1 year.
Hi, public service announcement. This bottle, it's like I want you guys to get the beer in. It's smaller than the average Fiji bottle. It's $500. Let me compare it to a cup.
And so this starts to take over Twitter now, and everybody, all who never did their run in and a share joke, but oh, everybody run got Babe Brunch JA, go take gas better than they stay home. Some people glad to them they stay home and never spend up their people money for get a little fenke type of food. Well, all of the chaos are going on Twitter about how bad the food was at Babe Brunch JA. In the bigger than that now, the what you call it, the promoter of the event, King Candy, she jumped to social media now, put out this post.
Hey guys, so I just wanted to say to everybody who came out to Babe Brunch yesterday a massive thank you to those who spent their money and spent their Sunday with us. I never want to seem like I am ungrateful, so I am so thankful for the support that I received. And then I also wanted to publicly apologize to those who had anything less than a positive brunch experience yesterday. For those of you who did, we will be hosting a mini brunch experience at The Porch. That's 911 Phoenix Avenue on Monday, December 23rd. Now, I'm very big on customer service, so I really wanted to do something for those who had a less than positive experience. So if you did, or you have a friend who did, please ask them to DM the Babe Brunch JA page so that we can add you to the list for that event on Monday. Again, I just wanted to say thank you to everybody who came out, and that we are so sorry for the food experience of some of our patrons. You guys know how it is in events. You have a supplier, the supplier fails you, but I mean, it's a learning experience for me. So I'm moving on very positively on this end and hope that you guys are too. So let me know, DM the page at Babe Brunch JA with...
No, this is all you do damage control. This is all you humble yourself and reclaim your time and get back the power from social media, because boy, Twitter was out for drag her for dear life. But she catch it back, and this is all you do it. This is all you do it. And it shows that she put customer service 100%, because she actually, you know, had a little mini brunch to kind of make up for the people who had a bad experience. And according to what I see online, it definitely went well. And a lot of people are even more encouraged to go to the next Babe Brunch event. So big up yourself, King Candy. Definitely a good look. Let me know what you thought about the whole entire saga, people. Number 9, Keisha and Gucci Mane in Jamaica. Me go Stoopies. So Gucci Mane, rapper, American rapper, and his girlfriend, entrepreneur Keisha, visited Jamaica recently. I think they're actually still in Jamaica right about now. I mean, I tell you, she definitely needed to join DJ Khaled for the entire Jamaican tourist board ad.
We have very similar background.
Yes, that's how we love each other, because we both from the slum. Yep. This is my lane, y'all. St. Thomas, Jamaica. Down the lane, born and growing at the dirt. I'm gonna show y'all my house.
They know what you're doing. That's all.
What go on?
Wagwan.
What go on?
Curry chicken.
Mm-hmm.
So she show him the tourist attraction, she show him the food. I do not know where she's going to end up next. I think only Devon House and Emancipation Park, Keisha need to carry Gucci too. Let me know what you thought about these celebrity sightings, people. Sound off in the comment section. So now, this prize, it is going to be a Tory Burch gold earrings, courtesy of Vanity Swim. So the question is very simple and easy, so make sure you get ready in the live chat right now. So the question is, what parish is Tony and Singh Miss World 2019 from? What parish is Tony and Singh from? Simple as that.
At the country boy again, it's Charlie, and you're watching Dirty Berry social media countdown. Oh.
Number 8, thieving schemes. Me bootleg. So this thing upset me. Everybody knows that when at Christmas time, the thief them are come out in droves. So this video now that I saw, it definitely showed that it is really a reality. And so just pre the video. Oh, you tell me that you realize that the brother, this big brother, you know, this big tough, you know, brother, make sure say him go there, swap the bag now, give the woman the empty bag now, only if she reach home now and probably realize that there's a bag full of scandal bag and not where she spend her money for. And then, to make matters worse, another video surfaced where this person went to go buy paint.
Ready for paint. See it there? That me just pull. See it there? One bucket of water. You see, that's why them dirty people down at town can't stop suffer. Come at $1,400 for ready for paint my place.
You see, all them things your people take out them hard earned cash. Even though you must realize that if something too good to be true, you know say something wrong. Because I don't think so much pain to that cause so little bit of money. But still, man, oh gosh. Ooh. Burritos, let me know in the comments, has something like this ever happened to you before? Or how you think you would avoid this or reach you? Let me know in the comment section. Alright, so we know so from what everybody I talk about Forex training. And so for those of you who might be interested, but think you don't want to collect the prize here. So I have a 1 free training course courtesy of Wave FX Academy. So to the first person who can tell me what is the name that I gave to Tessa and Chin when she was on The Voice. It can't get no easier than that. So the first person to tell me the name that I gave to Tessa and Chin when she was on The Voice will win a free trading course courtesy of Wave X Academy. Number 7, Grandpa and Tech. So, you know, this man, I'm sure you've seen him from a lot of Jamaican plays. I think his name is Mama Man. And there's a video with him and this youth in the car. And boy, it was quite hilarious. Pre.
Piss up yourself. Remember I one day you pissed on my food. And now, because you go, missing you go to school.
Snap.
Are you going to say it again? Your damn face, you out of that bitch. Eh? Your mama run down to England, left you. And your papa in my damn teeth in the prison. And you come to me say you want to slap me?
Grandpa, me say me have to snap your...
Don't tell me that box, say, come out of my car, man. Come out and go on back to your grandmother. Come out.
Grandpa, you understand me?
Me don't understand you. Only if you understand you want to come slap me. Where you slap me for?
Me never say me have to snap your grandpa, not slap you.
They're not nice thing you say?
No, Grandpa. Alright,
son, grandson.
Alright, let me...
If you say you want to slap me, where you want to slap me for? And you keep on and say, what you have against me? Eh? And then you run your papa go in prison. You hear me say? Your damn papa was a blasted thief.
Are your jeans?
You understand?
Are your
jeans? Blasted for my jeans. It is a damn jacket. Alright. Jacket!
Can you relate to this, Burritos? Is this how you and your grandparents communicate about the newest lingo and the newest technology? Number 6, Daps denied. So Dexter Daps Mr. Bring It to the Owner and also the Jamaican version of Trey Songs according to what the streets are saying. You know, so when him perform, normally him just summon the woman them. Once woman see him on stage, them just go up there and instantly, wait up! Just like that. So there Dexter was at it again on stage now and him look summoning power started to take effect.
Come up here, son, Michelle.
She said
sit down up on the stage.
Here came our man to pull her way out of the situation, bring her right back to the owner, to the landlord, not Dexter.
Lord, you make a little girl so fuck you never went for me, so boy you gonna went for Dexter up. Yo, you see anytime I see you?
So ladies, let me know if you were at a concert with your significant other, would you have felt compelled to go to Dexter Daps? Sound off below and brother them. How you would have feel if you realize say they want to show your girl want to go up to Dexter Daps? Sound off in the comments. We want to hear. Number 5, Hype detained Miss Ungurangadeng. What? So, according to reports, it says that, you know, Miss Foota Hype was detained in the United States after leaving from Falmouth, Jamaica, and says that he was detained for further review of his travel documents and admissibility status. So, me don't really know what going on, but apparently they need to do some little checks, because maybe they have a little idea, so some little suspicious things are going on. I do not know, but basically them have him detained, and all I can say is that, you know, bad to bad, you know, if I don't really nothing, just free the brother and make the brother get for go back and, you know, provide for him family and them little things there. But, you know, let me know, Burritos, what do you think about this whole entire situation? You feel it for Foota Hype? What do you think might be the real issue at hand? you know, do you think, what kind of conspiracy theory I meant Matt out? Sound off in the comment section. Right, so you know, so it's another prize time, another giveaway time. So this one is courtesy of Tamira Carey Collection. Now, Tamira Carey Collection caters to fluffy, confident, bold women, plus-size women who, you know, you want a nice dress, something to show off your figure and to give you the confidence that you need to step into any given situation. So, here's the question. All right? It's going to be easy. What is the name of the media personality who coined the phrase fluffy pudding world? It can't get no easier than that, man. So the first person to give the correct answer will definitely receive a piece from the Tamira Carey Collection. So, you know what, I miss out. So, and oh yeah, all of them prizes here so far are for people in Jamaica. I am so sorry. But for the ones who are abroad, I'm definitely a come for the next year just so the strips go on. Okay, for now. And yes, we have another prize, and this prize is courtesy of Wilson's List. Wilson's List is a Jamaican marketplace where you can rent, buy, and sell items. Now, it is basically like the Jamaican Amazon. So now, I'm going to be giving away 4 25 US gift cards to purchase anything on the site or towards, you know, purchasing anything that you feel like you might want on the Wilson's List site. So, the first 4 people to tell me what is the name of the award that I received recently, yeah, I'm winning one of the gift cards them. So please tell me what is the name of the award that I received recently. If you do not know, just go check my Instagram. Number 4, Dion versus the Angel. Say it ain't so. So this is probably one of the most shocking like combinations on social media that I think I could have ever foreseen. So Dion Jackson Miller, you must know her from All Angles. Welcome to All Angles. It's Dion Jackson Miller. Yes, man, the lady there was very cutthroat. She's kind of like the female Pierce Morgan in Jamaica. So she went to Unruly Fest and she, you know, I guess she saw the performances and she would have seen the Angel and she made a tweet online to, I guess, detail a situation that she saw unfold on stage. Let me read it for you. So the other day I went to Unruly Fest and I thought the Angel was walking off arm in arm with this guy. But it was only to realize he was dragging her off. Dragging her off, laugh my ass off, yeah. Most of these encores are a waste of time. Do your set and cut. Box foot the Angel, the first lady of dancehall. I don't know if she'll go by the name there again. But she never take too kindly to that. The Angel see herself as the owner and the ruler of stage. Because bad to bad, you know, when she step on stage, you know, at different level settings, you know. So the Angel never like nobody really come for her stage show performance like that. So she took to Twitter to clap back at Miss Miller. And this is what she said. Answer! Dirty woman, where did that ever happen? Which boy can drag me off stage? Bianche, I gave an epic performance where they begged me to go back on stage. Bianche, keep my name out of your stinking mouth. People like you bring down other women instead of... Yeah, Angel. Yeah, Angel. Yeah, Angel. I've done the girl. Done the girl, the Angel. People like you bring down other women instead of giving them glory. Go review your video shot. I'm a woman in a living to the fullest. And I'm getting to the givers. And that praise and that's going and it is the Angel stronger. I'm gonna live my life longer. My name has been slandered. And a woman will be under. Answer! The Angel, my name is first lady. Me say that for them, I'm gonna me. You see me, you see me, you see me. Dion Jackson about me. I'm so stupid. So let me know, readers, what do you think of this whole entire clapback situation? Do you think that the Angel never have to come out so strong on Dion Jackson Miller? And what do you think of Dion Jackson remarks? No, me never there Unruly Fest, so I don't even know if that did really unfold. Sound off below. Alright, so now this prize is courtesy of Statement Pieces by Chris. Now it is located at Shop 4 Lane Plaza, 224 South Avenue, Kingston. So this is where you can get all of the trending fashions them for men. So here's it. If you can tell me correctly one YouTuber that I've interviewed as part of my DBS exclusive series this year, you will walk away with a gift certificate for a nice blazer and such from Statement Pieces by Chris. You definitely know say you want, collect it so you can go out for the New Year's and brafing through fashion. Okay, make sure say you go and follow Statement Pieces right here so as well. Number 3, fanning out. Me Michael Jackson drop down. So, in the history of people bucking up them fans, so sometimes people get overwhelmed and them create a heap of excitement. Now, this went up to a notch because Daddy One just boss him, just kind of get him like a hits the man and set up his name in a dance hall. But apparently that was just enough to make a particular female behave in a very Beatles, Michael Jackson-esque, Justin Bieber-esque, Fan Club Beyonce, Beehive-esque fashion. Take a look. No, honestly, bad to bad, that big up Daddy One, but I think him have so much hits for she really a great behave, so Jesus Christ, no, this is a proper fangirl moment. No, this, honestly, if me and Daddy One right now, nobody can talk to me. I play the video down, my hype, honestly, somebody reacts up, and me have so much impact right now, I just sit down and appear champagne, I just a brav. I just walk in the AC, I go use the bathroom just because I want wee. Just cause. Let me know if you thought that this was too much or do you think it was an adorable moment. Sound off below. Number 2, Wendy's ball. Me ragamuffin pick me. Boy, let me just tell you, say usually, Wendy's a Barbican and one of the place them where it go and do one bag of excitement at late night. No, what happens is that when you go to Ribby's and you enjoy yourself up a Ribby's, you dance and sometimes you drink, you step downstairs now, you feel like a peckish, you feel like you just want to eat like something, like a salt, like a fries, so you step into Wendy's. And also, that is a spot where most of the uptown pitney them, when they leave from them party and they're making them way back home, up them hill or wheresoever, they have to pass the little side there a Barbican, right? And so, them normally stop there in the middle of them intoxication. So, me don't know how the Wendy's staff up there manage a weekend time because them close later than normal. They close up to, I think, 5 a.m. So, you have the whole lot of drunk people them to deal with. So, this video surfaced and pre. Wow. No, wow. When I see this, I couldn't wonder what the box was going on. But apparently it was that there was some young man in there and them decides I forgot to take on the security guard out of badness and I guess to prove a point. And I say, yo, I want more footage, and then the footage came for show the different angle and it just showed this young man and the security have an altercation and people were actually supporting it. Like, me wonder like, wait, what? But me, I try to say maybe, and I figure say, I guess they were under the influence. So everybody right here so just in a one different zone because I refuse to think that people would sense that I really know this person and not pull him out of harm's way, but actually egg him on for do something like this publicly, kind of embarrass himself on social media. So, me don't know, but them moments here happening, it is nothing uncommon, it just come like they want to get videoed. Because I've seen similar things like this happen when a lot of the UPT youths, them get a little intoxicated and them kind of push a certain level of arrogance towards the workers at Wendy's. So, let me know what you thought about this, me here say the police is investigating now, but let's just see, because, Jamaica this. Alright, so I have 2 more prizes burritos and I do not want to miss out, so get ready to give the answers in the live section. Okay, so now this one is courtesy of Skin Obsession by Nikita. Now they are located at 9 Red Hills Road, Kingston 10, and it is a med spa and beauty boutique. So if you want to get a treatment, now this is for men or women, for take care of your skin, when you look at pores, exfoliate, when you forget exfoliate, go through and look on the fat and look something around here. So okay, whatever treatment of your choice, you will receive free at Skin Obsessions by Nikita. So now you have to tell me the answer to this question. Name one artist that I interviewed at Reggae Sumfest 2019. Name one artist that I interviewed at Reggae Sumfest 2019. Simple as that, and you will win one of the treatments courtesy of Skin Obsessions by Nikita. And make sure you go and follow them right here so on social media. Alright, so now this is the final prize that I'll be giving away to you, Burritos. I hope you've been enjoying the prizes and I've won so far. Some of them I wish we could have given more, but let's see what happens into 2020, no? Alright, so now this is for 100 Hope Road's New Year's Eve party. Now it is 2 tickets valued at over $10,000 and it comes with premium drinks and cocktail, inclusive food, you know, the whole entire Schweppes. Okay, ready? Make sure you look somewhere to go, so gather up yourself, person. So the first person to fill in the blanks to this correctly will win, okay? So, how does my saying go? My word, my blank, and my blank. So it is my word, my blank, and my blank. So fill in the 3 answers them and you will win 2 tickets to 100 Hope Road's New Year's Eve party. Ooh. Now let me feel like I want to go and I want to win a prize too.
We're gonna do it again somehow. This is Ramin Burger. You're watching Dirty Berry social media countdown. Keep it locked and don't move a muscle. Ace.
Number 1 goes to Unruly Fest. Woo! My word, my sentence, my paragraph, my essay. So, Popcorn, he is the king of St. Thomas, and it looks like Tony and Singh has now become the queen of St. Thomas. So, he is back, you know, with his event, Unruly Fest. Now, I think this is the 2nd staging, and leading up to it, he was promoting the heck out of these 2 international superstar artists that nobody is expecting and would need for the year. So, in my brain, me I say, who are the largest people in the world right now? Me I think of Jay-Z and Beyonce, me I think of Rihanna, me I think of Nicki Minaj, me I think of Lil Wayne, me I think of 50 Cent. Yeah, I think maybe I bring back Drake, all kind of things. But I guess it was Casanova and Stylo G. I don't know, but like many people definitely headed to St. Thomas. Why St. Thomas? At the first meeting could get so much like hype and excitement in years, which is very good because people refer to St. Thomas as the forgotten parish. So it is good that Popcorn definitely put renewed energy and, you know, a spike in, I guess, the whole entire entertainment scene in St. Thomas. So anyhow, a whole lot of people, you know, converged there for the event, and I didn't go, but the consensus kind of mixed. A lot of people, you know, felt, you know, that them prefer for them to just stay home because the event never really makes sense. And a lot of people also did enjoy the event and thought the experience was very cool and that they're very proud of Popcorn's accomplishment. So most of the takeaways that I got was that a whole heap of Robin gone, whole heap of thief in gone. We see a girl say that basically she did take one coaster bus for go, you know, shuttle bus for car go to Unruly Festival. When the event done and she come back towards the car, now the driver tell her, say them thief the coaster bus. And that apparently the people them who thief the coaster bus now, police, they go stop the vehicle and I do some little search because they must have going on like a minor accident. The thief them catch them free now, run out of the coaster bus. So luckily the driver was able to get back in bus. But and the people them, he was able to like send another vehicle to get the patrons them. So boy oh boy, maybe some people phone thief, people equipment gone, all kind of like a chaos. But on the other side, people definitely enjoyed the lineup and stage. So there was Stylo G, there was The Angel, there was Mr. Lex, there was just a host of Popcorn and him friends them that him basically just a pull from here and here to come on stage to go and do a set. And what everybody is really talking about is the epic entrance that Popcorn made to the Unruly festival stage. No. Oh wow, you've ever heard the expression? It's a bird, it's a plane, no, it's popcorn. The man literally hovered over the entire stadium in the air like he was waving it and just not caring while performing. Now this in a Jamaica, you know, so Jamaica people don't really go all out. If you spice on one and two other artists, you know, we don't really care about entrance, we just walk on, make the music play, we just walk on like we just a step out for God work on Monday morning, you know, simple easy settings. But Popcorn decided to say, I'm gonna just, you know, add up the theatrics, and it was definitely a moment that a lot of the patrons will remember. So let me know what you thought about Unruly Festival. Did you attend? Would you give it a thumbs up or a thumbs or a thumbs down? Sound off in the comment section. Well, that's it, people. Thanks for watching another Dirty Berry top. This was what? Top 13 social media countdown, the Christmas edition. Merry Christmas to you, burritos, and a Happy New Year when it comes. I hope that you're enjoying this moment with your friends and your family, and you're really taking this time to come together. For those of you who Christmas might be a time where you're actually mourning and not very happy, I really pray for your strength. And just, you know, I'm just very grateful to have a group of supporters, 200,000 plus strong, that really encourage me day to day and just give me the strength that I need and the motivation to allow me to continue to inspiring others. So, my love on the burritos and big up on yourself. Merry Christmas to all and the family. Merry Christmas. Enjoy the food for me, boy. I don't want to eat more Christmas cake because me I get away with the Christmas cake this season. I'm going to have Jim for kind of take care of it next year. Okay, so if you want to follow me on social media, it is at Dirty Berry Show on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. And to, you know, for bookings and if you want to advertise in the countdown, I'm actually right now very open to people who want to advertise on the social media countdown for an extended period in 2020. So if you have a business and a product and you definitely want to partner with the Dirty Berry Show, do not hesitate. Send me an email right now, dirtyberryshow@gmail.com. I'm willing and able to have the conversation and to hear how we can collaborate. Okay, so take care until next time.
The dirty or the berry, yeah, the juicy or the scoop. All the things are going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the countdown coming soon. All the drama what you want, you fit tune into the youth.